everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to work from home with just your laptop and some basic skills, transcription jobs are a fantastic option. In transcription, you simply listen to audio and turn it into text. No degree needed, no investment, and no prior experience required. Today, I'm excited to share over 10 genuine transcription job websites with you. I'll cover salary, eligibility, and how to apply for each one. Let's dive in. First, Scribey. Job role: convert general or medical audio to written text. Pay $5, $25 per audio hour, RS 400, RS 2000. Experience: freshers can apply. Eligibility: good English and typing. Apply https scribey.com. Go Transcript. Job role: freelance transcription. Pay $0.60 per audio minute. Experience: beginner friendly. Eligibility: understand English accents. Apply http://gotranscript.com. 3. Rev job role: general plus medical transcription. Pay $0.30, $1.10 per audio minute. Experience: take a test before approval. Eligibility: laptop plus headphones. Apply https www.dive.com freelancers. 4. Transcribe Me job role: short audio transcription. Jobs: pay $15, $22 per audio hour. Experience: beginner friendly. Eligibility: pass small typing test. Apply hwtranscribeme.com. 5. Speechpad. Job role: video and audio captioning plus transcription. Pay $0.25, $2.50 per minute. Experience: not required. Eligibility: English understanding and patience. Apply https usespeechpad.com. 6. Casting words. Job role: convert podcasts and lectures into text. Pay increases with accuracy. Experience: freshers allowed. Apply https castingwords.com. 7. Rev captioner. Subtitles. Job role: create subtitles for YouTube videos. Pay $0.45, $0.75 per video minute. Perfect. 4. Students and beginners. Apply https www.rev.com freelancers captioner. 8. Upwork. Job role: freelance transcription projects. Pay RS 8,000, RS 100,000 per month, depending on client experience. Build profile slowly. Apply https://upwork.com. Now, let's talk about freelancer.com. Job role: medical, legal, and general transcription projects. Pay project-based. Eligibility: good typing plus accuracy. Apply https freelancer.com. Moving on to people per hour. Job role: transcription plus captioning. Pay. You set your rate. Experience: freshers accepted. Apply https://peopleperhour.com. Bonus: YouTube transcription. Work job role: create subtitles and captions for YouTubers. Pay RS 300, RS 2000 per video. How to find clients. Search on Instagram, Facebook groups, or Fiverr. Pay is project-based, so make sure you have good typing skills and accuracy. You'll need basic English listening skills, a typing speed of 30 to 45 WPM, and a laptop with headphones. Most importantly, you need patience to listen and type clearly. So those were the 10 plus best transcription websites that let you work from home with zero experience. If you want, I can create a step-by-step training guide on how to pass transcription tests easily. Just comment yes training below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.